to improve the security practicing, improving our quality. And in reality, security is basically one of the quality attributes, right? That's one of the components. How are we writing the code in terms of the good quality, code styling, and some code complexities, or architecturally, or looking for some shortcut, maybe some improving the code with remove the dead codes. It is about the quality. When we talk about the quality, there are availabilities, modifiabilities, modularities. There are many abilities. Security is one of them. Yes, dev team member, they don't know a lot of those practice. So what we should do, we have to communicate. We have to collaborate. We have to share. What the sharing means, and going back to the communicating each other. Like if I am a security person in my organizations, I have to share my attack vectors. I have to share my security postures. I have to share my infrastructures requirement to the dev team. And then there are many tools available on with respect to, let's say, if I am doing some sort of a testing in my, here is a test environment, maybe I'm using some static analysis here, or maybe I'm using some DEST, static application security testing, or dynamic application security testings. All these type of tools, there are many tools available. The key point is here, we have to get the feedback. As we said, the feedback is not just the communicating as human to human. We are looking for the feedback from tools, feeding back to the dev team, as well as feeding back to other team members as well. So how can we educate the team members to write the secure coding? It's a journey. It is not happening right away. And I see in my CME class as well, I have been teaching software security courses for almost like 6-7 years. I see the similar patterns, and we don't really do a good job on undergrad and teaching security a lot. We always look at for good quality of writing good softwares. When I say good software, good performance, good availabilities, good reliabilities. But security is evolving. It's keep adding in new vulnerabilities or new code practicing. So these are the things. It's more specific to the language, specific to domain. If I am an engineer, if I'm going to writing a C code, or if I'm going to write a Python code, I have to look at what are the security practices are for Python code that I'm going to use. I can implement those in my coding. Now, going back to another thing we shared a couple minutes ago, developers probably they know or they would like to learn, but if it is not planned in their daily life cycle, in their Scrum, in their sprint, it's very hard for them to dedicate their own time to learn because something has to drive. So what is really driving for developers? They're trying to write the capabilities, or they're trying to write any features based on what has been planned. So we can add those planning, and then we can build up the tools. Tool is basically educating the team members, and then they can write the code. So tool can help, and team members can help. And then as working as a team together, we can build up a good security team structures. They can share information each other, and we can build up the security postures as well.